Are we rolling?
Yeah, we're rolling now.
Okay. Is that frame good?
I'm not too sure. Is that better?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Maybe we've got a shorter hand.
Welcome to the new GoPro Hero 9 Black. Is that it?
Yeah, that's correct. Hang on, turns out I think the tripod-y thing.
Yeah.
Okay, you've got a longer arm. That's way better.
Okay,
Thanks,
longer arm. Let's whack it up here.
There you go.
So basically, we have got the new GoPro and we are trying it out. So are we, Mandy? And so, welcome to like perfect video, like because we're all about perfection, aren't we? But and we apologise for the issues that we're probably going to have as we get to know it.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's going to be quite a learning curve, I think. It's taken us 3 weeks to even come out with it because, yeah, we found it a bit daunting.
So on this little video, we're just going to go for a wander down the lane and across the park and try out the new video and try out the GoPro camera, how it works, see if we can work out how to do all the fancy settings and things like that. So it might be a bit of a interesting moment.
Yes, a bit of a hodgepodge.
Now, first thing we're going to do is try and turn out how to turn it around. And I was saying, how do you swap it to the other side? You don't, because the camera only faces this way. You just turn it around. There you go.
Look at that. Look at
Here's the lane, isn't it pretty? Britain in its autumnal glory. Lots of lovely leaves. Let's go for a wander, shall we?
Good idea. This one is now real speed, so talk into it. We're not keeping this way, this is just to show you.
Yeah.
Take it off.
Yep.
And on. And off.
So we've just trialled out the speed settings, which was good fun. And now we're going to try the linear settings, Mandy, to see how wobbly it is. So Mandy's gonna walk with the camera. Now, in the past with our old camera, it'd be bouncing around everywhere, it'd be really rough, and hopefully this is really smooth and much more pleasing on the eye. Hope so anyway. And I'm gonna walk forwards so I don't fall over. Isn't it pretty? The trees.
So pretty.
Yep.
Seriously, England in the autumn is just magnificent.
Yeah.
And then
it's not raining, so that's a bonus. I'm just practicing with the camera, taking a picture of Mandy, photographing the trees. Now look at those. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful colours. So now we're going to do a little test of the quality and the performance of the camera to see how good it is when I'm speaking. I'm standing...
Not the camera, the microphone.
The microphone, sorry. So now I'm stood right next to the camera, speaking normally. I will take one step back, and now we'll see what the camera is like with me one step away. Can it still hear me? 2 steps back. I wonder if the camera can still hear me now. 3 steps back. I wonder if the camera can still hear me now. I'm talking about as loud as I'm going to. 4 steps back, can you still hear me? And 5 steps back, I doubt if you can hear me from here. Mandy thought from that last clip there was a bit of distortion in my voice, so now I'm talking very close to the camera in a quieter voice, but there's a lot of wind behind me, so I wonder if we can hear that. And now again, I'm very close to the camera, but I'm going to try and talk in a quieter voice to see if there is a problem with this distortion. It might be the speaker on the camera, a little bit of movement, and a big gust of wind. Lovely autumnal day.
Decided to have fun with slow-mo and just see so just changed the sharpness, sorry, from high to low.
Yep, so it's not very bright anyway at the moment. It's very cloudy, but we'll see if there's much difference between this and the last shot. And this is the sharpness on medium. So now we're gonna see how it copes with the light settings, going from like a good light situation to a bad light situation, because previous cameras have been pretty bad at that. They struggle in focus. So here I am out in the open, and I'm gonna go underneath amongst the tree, and then we'll see. Now I know I'm in shade and the sun's behind me, but it's a little bit darker in here. I'm wondering if it is going to struggle to focus, handle the light, handle the darkness, and we'll go back out again and see how it changes. Should be interesting to see. So now I'm going to test what it's like while I go for a run while I was taking a selfie. This should be interesting. Now it's bouncing around quite a bit, and I'm expecting it's going to be a bit ropey. We'll see how it copes. Whew. That's hard work. And that concludes our GoPro 9 quality control test. It went quite well, didn't it, Mandy?
It did really well.
We're really happy with the quality of it and the results, and we hope to bring you some even better videos, better quality videos in the future.
And no more like blurring, you know, like
jolty, going out of focus, can't hear us speaking, all that kind of thing. This is the new improved Frugal Travellers.
Yay!